All right, everything's a mess behind me, and look over here. I'm not even making my bed. Can you imagine? I'm like so excited to move out of here that I've stopped making my bed now. There's no bed, just a mattress that I have to make it. But anyways, Mayang is in a meeting, and his meeting today is going to be basically all-day meeting. So that's why I'm just gonna make right now the lunch and keep it, so whenever he gets time he can just come grab some lunch and eat it. And for lunch, you know what we're doing these days, trying to finish up all the food. So I'm gonna go open my freezer, check out all the veggies. I think we have green beans, corn, broccoli and all that stuff. So I'm gonna make a fried rice, and I'm gonna make dal with that, and that is how we're gonna eat it. So if you guys have not tried making fried rice, basically pulao, not fried rice, pulao you can say, the white fried rice, no soy sauce or any of those things, like just jeera, the veggies and ghee and rice, just make it together with some nice delicious dal. I think I would say tur dal mixed with masoor dal, that tastes the best with this thing. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna make and keep it, and then I'm gonna start packing. These are the floor mats that I was talking about the other day that I washed and dried them. They are all nice and dried over here. This is also dried. I am just gonna fold them up and keep it. And this is the plant that I'm carrying with me, and this basil, and one plant is inside. The one that is over here, I'm gonna give it away. Yes, we still need to pack up all of these things. My mop bucket is here. I'm gonna take all of these stuff, the plant pot holders, and then I'm gonna throw the this rack, I'm gonna throw it. Oh yeah, that is what is happening. I'm definitely gonna miss this place because it has so many memories, but very excited for a new journey. Vacuumed all the carpets and rolled them up, all the carpets except for this big one over here, because this is the only place where we can sit in the living room. So that's why this is here. Rest of them are over there rolled up, if you can see. And now I'm gonna go and take out the shelves. So basically that shelf behind me, it's in white color. I don't know whether you guys can see it. Yep, that one. So I'm gonna take that out. I think that's the only other last shelf that is left in the walls. The one in the living room, we already took that out. This is the shelf and it's done. Alright, I just got done with my bath and I feel fresh. What's the time? It's 2:49. I just did bath. Solid. That's because I was packing a little bit and then all that stuff. But Mayang is still in a meeting and I cannot shoot too much while he's in a meeting because he's right in the other room, and his camera is on, his speaker is on, so I cannot be the disturbance. But I'm very excited to move because his office is going to be in the first floor and I'm going to be on the ground floor without any disturbance, and I can shoot as much as I want. So there you go, you know a little bit about our new place now. Just went to Walmart and got some more tape because we were out of tape. I filled 2 boxes over there. I made 2 more boxes, but I couldn't tape them, but here it is. So if you guys remember that closet in the starting where we keep Marvel's little bit of stuff and some storage, I kind of emptied it and
made some popcorn.
made some popcorn, made some boxes. One box is full, the other is not. I just need some more stuff. Oh, I need to put the dustbin also out. Garbage. Trash! And finally he is here. He is off work.
Hello, this is Maya. Hey Nick, how are you?
There he is finally. There. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Walking away to his office again. But yeah, he had a really busy day, so.
What's up? Did you guys see my haircut yet? I don't know if I showed you.
I gave him that haircut.
Yeah. So, one thing that came out of this COVID situation is the hidden talent in Tanya. Now she has become very efficient, proficient as well in giving me haircuts, so I don't think I'm gonna return to a barber shop anytime soon. Yep. So this
I even colored his hair, now I cut his hair.
Yeah, she colored my hair, and this is like the first time she gained enough confidence to give me a bald fade here, which she did a pretty good job at. So I'm a good teacher, she is a good disciple. She did a great job.
Yup.
वाई का तो ये बॉक्स में क्या मैंने रखूं क्या इसमें, क्योंकि इसका और भी मटेरियल होगा
पूरा अच्छे से मैं इसी में लगा दूंगी, जिससे कुछ नया चाहिए वहां पे लगाने को, चिपकाने को, इसी में सब निकालो।
क्योंकि इसमें इसके वो है ना, वो लगेंगे ना वहां पे, तो ग्रूव्स इसमें। हाँ,
इसके अंदर टेप भी है शायद, डबल साइडेड टेप।
हाँ, वो उसके ग्रूव्स के लिए ही है वो बेसिकली, तो इसलिए नाइस। So by the way, if you guys are looking for a good security system for your home, we have been using this for a very long time now. It's called Y. I can put the link in the description box for you guys. It comes with 4 camera. It's not super costly. It has cry detection for babies, and it has detection, movement detection, even the slightest movement detection. Sometimes we set it to too sensitive, and even if the light in the room changes, like the car passed by and through a window you have a light, or a fan, because of the fan, if the curtain is moving, then it will just give you a notification, and we were like, in what's going on? So anyways, bottom line, it's a pretty decent deal. So if anybody is looking for that, then you should check this out on Amazon. Grandpa?
Garage.
अच्छा.
Spelling right, right?
Yeah.
What?
ये भी जा रहा है?
हाँ, जिसके अंदर सामान है वो टेप कर दिया, मैं इसको अलग बॉक्स में क्यों करूँ ना?
इसके 2 वो निकाले वो बनाने के लिए.
ओ नहीं, ओ मेरे पास बाहर है वो, यहाँ पे कैबिनेट्स में. हिल रहा है क्या?
ये इसमें लग के खराब होगा.
We are making dinner. I am going to be eating oats. So that's what I'm making, in coconut milk, some oats. I'm gonna add vanilla protein and blueberries. That's what I'm gonna add, and a little bit of almond butter.
अरे बाबू ये समोसे हैं, ये तुम्हारी बोर्ड नहीं है.
Moyang is eating leftover. So we have a little bit of samosa, and then I made corn chaat yesterday, so that corn chaat. And I guess that's it. that is our plan. Alright, so my oats are in here and coconut milk. I have good amount of frozen blueberries. I always get frozen blueberries because they don't go bad, and the ingredient is only blueberries, no preservative or any of those stuff. So I think about a cup. You can take how much ever you want. And I'm gonna use vanilla protein and my almond butter. Where's my almond butter? Oops. Almond butter is over here, and I'm gonna top it off with some delicious almond butter. So we made very big batch of samosa last time. You guys must have seen that. So how many more are left?
There are 2 more.
Yeah, 2 more. So this is literally like the last batch, and it lasted us quite a bit. So he's like, last samosas, you need to enjoy them properly, not just microwave them, but also put them in the oven to become nice and crispy.
So normally we just we always put them in the air fryer.
Yeah, but it's packed.
But since it's packed, we wanna put it in the oven, which takes a little bit longer.
Yes.
But it's fine.
My oats is ready. You can see it's purple color. That's because of the blueberry, and I topped it off with some maple syrup and almond butter. Oh my god, so good. It's very hot. I can't eat it right now, but yeah, do try it.
Done with our dinner, and Marvel is sitting over here. I am gonna go and do some work, office related work, half an hour or something like that. And Tanya is gonna go and edit this beautiful vlog for you guys. So we are gonna see you in our next vlog with our house a little bit more empty and packing going on and whatnot, but we are gonna share every bit of that with you and see you in our next vlog how our next day goes. Until then, stay safe, keep having fun, as this year is only 1/4 left. See you guys later. Bye bye.